In this video, I'm going to show you how to maintain your roster through your coach menu. See all the way to the right, you have a roster menu underneath your coach tools. The first link allows you to manage your varsity roster. So this would allow you to create players that are on the team. You can, if this is the not the first season that you're a part of the page, you can import from the previous season, and that'll bring all the players that were entered last year and advance their grade 1 year. So it only includes players who are not grade 12 and brings those in. And if you don't have any of those, you can start from scratch. Doing create new, you can add as much detail as you want to the players. First name, last name, the rest of the fields are really optional at that point, but you can set all of these. Your section admin will determine whether height and weight will actually show on your pages or not. So we're going to create a new player. And we'll just leave the rest blank for now. We'll do create. So we've got this player here. If you decide later you want to make changes to that player, you can go edit. You'll be right back into the same menu where you can change those details. So if you don't know the numbers and you want to add them later, you can go back in and edit your players and add them at that point. And similarly, if you add someone that you decide you don't want there, you click delete and they'll be removed from the system. Now if we go back to our team here, and we click refresh, you can see our new player has been listed here, and they'll show up on stats when they have some for games. Similarly, if we go back to our again, say we didn't want that player, we can click delete and they will be removed. Just confirm the delete and they're gone from the list. If we go back to our menu, you can also maintain a JV or modified roster. And really this is just for informational purposes only. You add the players in the same way. We have a little less details. When you create, you specify their name, you specify their jersey number if you want to, and then you will need to select whether they're on the JV or the modified roster. And if we go to our team page, you'll see that these show up as these tabs here. So adding any players to JV or modified, they'll show on these lists. The last option under the roster menu is to email roster. If you click this link, you'll need to put in an email where you want to send that roster to, and then you'll check if you want to include the team photo, if you've already added a team photo to your page. When you click send, that will generate an email with all the roster details that you have and the team photo if you check that, and that'll go to whatever email you specify. If you want to send it to multiple emails, just separate those emails by a semicolon. And really that's everything you can do with your roster maintenance from within your coach tools.